U.S. Senator Shelley Capito was on the ground today in Ohio County getting an update on the ongoing recovery efforts since the Father's Day weekend flooding devastated the area. She had a chance to talk with local leaders from emergency management and Homeland Security about what's happening. She checked out the Armory, too, where they're doing that work. FEMA is also there in the Triadelphia Recovery Center, making sure that people get the assistance they need. And she also checked in on how that money is being dispersed.
But, you know, being raised in the Northern Panhandle, it doesn't surprise me. I mean, it's just very strong commitment to community and family and friends.
The deadline to apply for individual assistance is Monday, September 22nd. If you know someone in that area, definitely remind them.